Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get sturdy. First, let's break down the core elements of this popular dance move. You'll learn to isolate your upper and lower body movements, creating that distinct, powerful bounce. We'll cover the essential footwork and arm coordination, ensuring you build a strong foundation. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to start your sturdy journey with confidence and style. Now, let's dive into the essential movements. Start by bending your knees slightly, keeping your body loose and ready to move. The core of the sturdy involves a powerful hip shift from left to right, almost like a controlled sway. Synchronize this with your arms, allowing them to swing naturally, adding to the momentum. Remember to push off the balls of your feet for that signature bounce, making each movement feel grounded yet energetic. Achieving a smooth rhythm and flow is crucial for a great sturdy. Pay close attention to the music's beat, letting it guide your footwork and body movements. Don't be afraid to experiment with varying tempos. Some songs call for a quicker bounce, while others suit a more relaxed pace. Focus on connecting each step seamlessly, making your transitions fluid. Incorporate small, expressive details like a head nod or shoulder shimmy to truly make the dance your own. To truly master the sturdy, consistent practice is key. Try to dedicate at least 15 minutes each day to rehearsing the movements. A great tip is to record yourself dancing. This allows you to objectively see your progress and pinpoint areas needing refinement. Seek inspiration from experienced dancers, observing their unique styles and incorporating new variations. As your confidence grows, gradually challenge yourself with more intricate steps and faster rhythms, pushing your skills to new heights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.